Jackson Palmer, one of the creators of the meme-based digital token Dogecoin, has come forth to share his concerns about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency projects, and also to answer some questions that have been directed at him for some time. Palmer tweeted, "After years of studying it, I believe that cryptocurrency is an inherently right-wing, hyper-capitalistic technology built primarily to amplify the wealth of its proponents through a combination of tax avoidance, diminished regulatory oversight, and artificially enforced scarcity. Instead of removing people from the burden of financial institutions and reducing centralized power, which a lot of cryptocurrency enthusiasts argue is one of its benefits," Palmer stated that the industry has grown to be controlled by a powerful group of wealthy individuals who have evolved to incorporate most of the same institutions that are tied to the existing centralized financial system that they're supposedly set to replace. The cryptocurrency world has become synonymous to a get-rich-quick funnel, he argued, and that cryptocurrency is now almost purpose-built to make the funnel of profiteering more efficient for those at the top and less safeguarded for the vulnerable. This happens through software that limits financial intervention such as audits, regulation, and taxation in order to make pronounced the worst parts of today's capitalist system, Mr. Palmer wrote, which include corruption, fraud, and inequality. Today on Crypto Line, we'll be talking about the advice of a Dogecoin founder regarding investing in the meme-themed cryptocurrency. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and in the pinned comment. In June of 2021, Britain's Financial Conduct Authority stated that Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, couldn't undertake any regulated activity in the UK. In other countries, including the United States and Germany, cryptocurrency has come under scrutiny from regulators about its use in illegal and illicit activities. Jackson Palmer points to the fact that if users fall victim to scams, the industry regards it as the victim's fault, but that billionaires manipulating markets are regarded as geniuses. Similar criticisms have been leveled at Tesla CEO Elon Musk, whose tweets have been able to move crypto markets with ease. In May of this year, Mr. Musk jokingly called Dogecoin a hustle during his appearance on the late-night comedy show SNL. Several crypto investors point to that as the tipping point in Bitcoin's biggest collapse of the year, which was peaking even as late as mid-April at close to $65,000. This type of dangerous free-for-all capitalism that cryptocurrency was unfortunately architected to facilitate since its inception, Palmer also said. Crypto prices have fallen continually over recent months. In March and April, Bitcoin was comfortably above $60,000, but over recent weeks, its prices dropped to just above $30,000. New regulation from China saw a dramatic plunge in Bitcoin's appeal after 3 state-backed organizations, which include the China Banking Association, said in a statement that cryptocurrency is not real and that it should not and cannot be used as currency in the market. It also warned that consumers should be prepared to lose their holdings, as well as indicating that further regulation could be coming in the future, something that has been echoed by the Bank of England. Dogecoin was created by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in 2013 as a combination of 2 of the internet's favorite things: the popular 2013 Shiba Inu meme known as Doge and cryptocurrency. In 2013, Palmer tweeted as a joke, "Investing in Dogecoin, pretty sure it's the next big thing." People replied to his tweet encouraging him to make it happen, and he committed to the bit, buying the domain dogecoin.com. Within a couple of days of the site going live, Marcus, who had never met Palmer, discovered the site and reached out to see if Palmer wanted to turn Dogecoin from a tweet into a tangible token. They never thought that what they were doing was really turning a bit into a multi-billion-dollar market cap. Before reaching out, Marcus had already tried creating his own altcoin called Bells, based on the Animal Crossing currency, but didn't have much luck. Eventually, the two forces joined, and a little over a week from when Palmer first jokingly tweeted about investing in Dogecoin, the coin had a fair launch with no pre-sale, pre-mine, or VC fundraising, just like Bitcoin. Dogecoin was created as a parody of other altcoins that had intensely loyal communities, were difficult to invest in, and were all about getting rich and hoarding digital assets. Redditors took to Dogecoin, quickly forming the Dogecoin subreddit almost immediately. In 2014, the online Dogecoin community raised money to send the Jamaican bobsled team to the Winter Olympics and donated $25,000 to a charity that trains service dogs for children with disabilities and veterans. The second richest man in the world has been a crypto pioneer since traditional finance guys like Jamie Dimon were calling it fraud in 2017. Musk was even voted on Twitter as the CEO of Dogecoin in 2019 and said it was his favorite crypto. The Dogecoin subreddit has about 1.7 million subscribers who constantly share Musk rumors, like discussing whether he's getting a Shiba Inu puppy or if Tesla will start accepting Dogecoin. A lot of Musk's tweets can be linked directly to Dogecoin spikes. Jason Prolific is a 33-year-old living in Los Angeles. He works a 9-to-5 job making YouTube videos for an online hip-hop magazine. And on April 15th, he became a Dogecoin millionaire. Prolific first got into investing a few years ago when he bought his first Tesla stock. He's always been a saver, resisting the urge to replace his 2004 Toyota Corolla that's falling apart. He first got into Dogecoin after watching Wall Street Bets traders initiate the epic short squeeze in GameStop stock this winter. But Prolific wanted to invest in something that would not be subject to regulations or possible hedge fund involvement, something that was a whole different world, he said in an interview. So he maxed out 2 credit cards, borrowed money from family and friends, and put his entire life savings into Dogecoin through the Robinhood app. On February 5th, 2021, Prolific said he invested approximately $180,000 into the meme stock when it was under 5 cents. And on April 15th, exactly 69 days later, he broke $1 million in holdings. Here's how that happened. On January 28th, when Robinhood and other trading platforms started restricting GameStop orders due to liquidity issues, Satoshi Street Bets, a crypto investing group on Reddit, tried to harness the investing enthusiasm that had propelled meme stocks to make Dogecoin the next GameStop. The same day, Elon Musk tweeted a photo of a fake Vogue cover with the title Doge to show his support for the crypto. The coin jumped from less than a penny to 5 cents, according to Coinbase. On February 4th, Elon Musk tweeted that Dogecoin is the people's crypto and posted a Photoshop image of him and Doge. On February 7th, Dogecoin hit 8 cents. On April 15th, Dogecoin hit 29 cents and Prolific became a paper millionaire. By April 16th, thanks in part to more Elon Musk and Mark Cuban tweets about Doge, the coin reached a market value of over $48 billion. On May 5th, in the early hours, Prolific hit $2.7 million. At the time, Dogecoin was at 65 cents, up almost 14,000% year-to-date, according to CoinDesk. Dogecoin has been in a constant uptrend, but given that the coin doesn't seem to have any practical use, it's hard to envision it having a lasting future. Unlike some other cryptocurrencies, there's no cap on Dogecoin. Currently, there are about 130 billion Dogecoins in circulation. Musk has tweeted his support for the coin again, and again. And as long as he keeps doing so, people are likely to keep buying it. But while following social media hype can be a smart short-term trading strategy, it doesn't necessarily mean that Doge will be a successful coin over the long term. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know. Remember to check out our free Discord group via the link in the description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. As always, good luck and happy investing.